Defense witness George Taitano resides in Yigo. He is neighbors to the Sablans. Taitano testified he was outside cleaning up when he heard an argument and gunshots from the Sablan residence on July 28, 2019, and he dialed 911. The Sablan home is where Keith Castro was fatally shot. Joshua Palacios is accused for pulling the trigger that killed Castro. Defense co-counsel Tom Fisher asked Taitano to recall any unusual happenings he witnessed from that evening.
There was this truck flying by, went back up, then it went back in. I heard argument. Inside the truck, like he was arguing with somebody, then he proceeded to the back, then I heard gunshots. Okay. That's the time I called 911.
Did you see that vehicle, anything happen in relation to that vehicle?
I just saw it go in with the gunshot. He picked up somebody halfway in.
Okay. Can you describe, you said that they picked up somebody halfway in. Could you describe that, sir?
I couldn't really see because it was not really well lighted.
Taitano testified that cars go in and out of the Sablan home on a daily basis. As we reported, government witnesses previously testified on the night of the incident that Castro was at the Sablan home, as were several individuals present and high on ice. Co-actor in the case, Thomas Taitano, also known as Mossy, had testified he went to Sablan's house to confront Castro. He has since pled guilty to aggravated assault charges for brutally attacking Castro with a metal baton. According to Mossy's plea agreement, he is set to be released from incarceration tomorrow. Meanwhile, the Castro case is ongoing, and new information regarding a SIM card was revealed during defense witness testimonies this afternoon in Palacios' trial. Trisha Kenyatta testified she was in need of a SIM card and her nephew, Andrew Benaventi's girlfriend, lent her one. The card seemed to allegedly have belonged to Castro. And holding back tears, Kenyatta testified what she saw on the card.
Please, tell me what you saw on the SD card.
There are photos of drug paraphernalia, other people, a video of pornography video, and just photos of money and drugs.
Did you see Keith Castro on that SD card?
At first, I don't know. I didn't know who it was. I didn't know the individuals on the SD card. Only when I came across a photo of a GPA statement with his name on it.
What was your reaction, ma'am, when you saw what was on this SD card?
I panicked. I didn't know.
No problem. Just take your time, ma'am.
I didn't know what to do. I panicked. I got scared.
Further, Kenyatta testified that she did not know Castro, but regardless, she did not want the card in her possession. So she handed it over and its contents to Judiciary of Guam Marshal Alan Eckley.
I advised her to turn over that information or whatever it is she had to the Guam Police Department, mainly the Mandania Task Force, because they were the ones working with drugs.
Okay.
And she said it was drug related and that it had something to do with Keith Castro.
So, approximately, she turns over this card to you late July, early August, correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you contact Officer Christopher Champion?
I did.
And did Officer Champion, did you relinquish the card to Officer Champion?
I did. We did a property sheet.
Chain of custody?
Chain of custody.
Okay.
Eckley testified he turned the card over to GPD the same day he received it. Palacios' trial resumes tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. with more defense witness testimony.